Take a moment to check out the 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This stylish Jetta offers an impressive suite of amenities, spirited performance, and the safety features you need to feel confident on every journey. It's loaded with common sense, yet makes you feel sensational. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, blind spot monitor, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, stability control, pass-through rear seat, intermittent wipers. Make every journey a pleasure in this comfortable, well-appointed Jetta. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.